So this is project 40, class number is project 40, and the class name is player rank that was caption class. Yay! Then this is a project called fruit catcher 2. Okay, so this will be our output, and this is our form class. And not only that, this is a multiplayer game. What game? Multiplayer game. Okay, so yeah, this is a multiplayer game. So one first page and second page. So multiplayer means two people can be playing this game. Okay, so one is this and one more is this. See, one is this and one more is this. Okay, and this is a form class. Note it down. Okay, and I'm gonna give like M, then they'll become is hello M, then here I'm gonna give just N. Okay, so for example, now I'm gonna click on play. So yes, these are baskets, and you can notice that your this is the N. Okay, so our name will be visible in here, and here you can look here, M can be visible, and the baskets, look, fruits are going into fruits are falling down, so we're just catching using the basket. So how many fruits you have been collected will be showing here. Okay, so 16, 17, 18, like that it will be showing here, and when you're seeing here it will also be coming like this. So now you see, so yes, this is a multiplayer game. Okay, so one you can play, one I can play, like that we can play. Okay, and this is used for, you'll ask why we are using this one. This is used for Firebase part, database, Firebase. Okay, so for example, I just see, I'm gonna reset it and reload the page. Again I'll just reset it and reload the page here. So again the form page will be coming. Look here. So yes, our form page has been coming like this. Okay, so like this only, and we are giving any name like this, and again clicking on play, and the fruits will be falling down, and the like what to say, like the fruits will be falling down, and for catching the fruits we'll use baskets to catch. Okay, with your name it will be coming. Okay, so yes, this is our output, and Visual Studio Code, do you need to see the code? Then subscribe. Okay, so yes, I always say, so now we are in 183 or 185, like that. We are near to 200. Okay, so near to 200 subscribers we are right now. Okay, so if we are reaching 200 subscribers, for you people, I am showing you was just easy, and like I don't know how to say that game. So easy game, simple game, like that we can see. So let's reach 200 subscribers. I will show you a game, okay, which I have been created by my own for you people. That is a 200 subscribers celebration. Okay, so yes, let's see the code now. So yes, I just opened a Visual Studio Code, and even I just opened a class 40 project. Okay, and let's move to the sketch.js. Always when I'm showing you a code, always first thing I'll be coming in the sketch.js only. Okay, so variable database, variable back image, variable game state is equals to 0, then player count, then all players, all this all people know, right? Then function preload, back image, we are just loading the images for the fruit, background, ground, players, like the baskets, like that. Okay, then we are just adding a new group called fruit group. Okay, then function setup, then create canvas, the canvas size, this much I'm just giving it. Then yeah, database is equals to Firebase dot database. Who all are listening the class, they may know what is Firebase and database. And okay, then game is equals to new game, then game is a new game, right? So sorry, game class we're just adding it. Then game dot get state, then game dot start, so starting and the getting state, like that. Okay, then function draw, then background, then adding a background image, like a forest image, like that. Then if player count is equals to 2, 2, then game is updating as 1, then game state is equals to 1. So just clear all, like form class will be coming again. So again the game class game dot play, I mean the game will be playing, game class will be playing. Okay, so 3 states, right? Update, play, and like that. Okay, then game state is equals to 2, then game will be ending. Okay, next we first will go to the form class. Okay, so yes, class form constructor, this dot input is equals to create input, like the text. Okay, then hiding what, when we are clicking on, say after clicking, after typing our name, hello name, like this it will be coming. Okay, for simply only, um, okay, then hello name equal, and then hiding what all should be hide, the title should be hiding, input should be hiding, button should be hiding, and the background, like new background or any background or reset button or anything, it should, these four should be hiding in this game. Okay, then display, then what all should be display after hiding. So this title, this position, this style, this position, background, all. Okay, lavender, light pink, something. Okay, then this all will be displaying, and this dot button dot mouse press. Okay, then this dot input dot hide, so this input will be hiding, button will be hiding. So player dot name is equals to this dot input dot value. I'll show you afterwards this one. Okay, so player count plus is equals to 1. So so what can I say for this? Player count plus is equals to 1 means, like, now only one player, this is a multiplayer game, right? So who is only adding 1, so this will add to the Firebase part. Player count is equals to 1 plus 1, like that, and then player will be updating. Then oh, 1 minute. Then player dot update count is player dot update count means even the player count should be updating the counts. Then the greeting dot html called hello plus player dot name. So hello, like the see you saw, right? Your hello, hello, then the name hello plus the play dot name. Okay, then welcome Madhushri, or welcome, like that also you can see. For example, wait, I'll just type here as welcome. Okay, so I'll save this one, control yes, and reloading the page. Okay, see, it's loading. Okay, I'll just give it as. Okay, oh, I didn't click on reset, but how, anyway it will be coming like that only. Okay, so fine, anyway it will be coming as welcome only, so just put it in the same way. So yes, I just put it now. So there's our greeting dot position, we're just giving a position for the greeting. Then this dot greeting dot style, we're just giving as white color, and this dot greeting dot style, what color, I mean in which size, in which pixel, like that. You'll ask, some people will be asking what is greeting, how many times you're saying greeting. Greeting is nothing but which is the hello play dot name, that's called a greeting. Okay, so greeting means we're just welcoming. Okay, we can also put as welcoming dot style. Okay, but we just give first as a greeting also. Okay, then this dot reset dot mouse press, then player dot update count, then game dot update. So this, for resetting, player is updating as 0 and game is updating as 0 when we are clicking on reset button. Now we can understand, I think. When we are clicking on reset, it will just update 000. Okay, then we move to the game.js. Okay, so yes, so game, called a class game, then constructor, then in the constructor we didn't write anything, then get state, then variable game state, referee, we are just referring, then in the second line we're just writing so, for that value, for that function, for the data, then it's giving a data value, then update, then in the update we're just writing the state, then database is referring the update, then game state is to state, then async start, if game state is equals to 0, then player is equals to new player. So we are here only, we're just creating a player count. Okay, then player count dot referring is dot exist player count is equals to player count referral dot value play dot get count. Then form is equals to new form, so form is also just here also. In this only, in this game.js only, we're just showing like we're just calling. Okay, so form is displaying, then player one we're just creating it and adding image called baskets. Okay, basket only, that is, so basket 1 and basket 2 like this. And play, for the play form will be hiding everything. Then play dot get player info, so for the play dot get player info means now like information of the player, like that I can say easily. The information of the player, images, then back image 0,000,800. So for this we're just giving us x and y values, then index is equal to 0, then draw sprites. Okay, and because it should draw, right? Then for variable plr in all players, PLR means players. Okay, for the all players like this. Okay, in short form. Okay, index is equals to index plus 1, x is equals to 500 minus all players, pl player dot distance. So yeah, some people can understand this one, I just think. So this all like we're just giving a text. Okay, text to display play scores. So yeah, this thing is to display the player scores, and this is the right arrow, left arrow, which we are moving only like this, like left and right, like that. Then frame count means in which speed the that basket should go, like that. Okay, and play, then fruit groups is adding the fruit. Then this yeah, one more thing, and frame count is there, right? This is for fruit group. Okay, not for the basket. For basket we already wrote, right? Sorry. And for player, if like see fill code here to destroy the objects, use the one in the class project at 9, add the condition to calculate the score, and use update till the update the values in the database. So I think you can understand. Okay, so this is our fruit group. Okay, then console.log is equals to game ended, like that. Next we'll move to the play.js. So class player construct in constructor nothing, and this dot index distance name score is equals to 0 null 0 null. Okay, sorry, null 0 null 0. Then get count, then it's getting the referrals, and it's getting on referring on values and data. Then it's player count is getting data values and updating the count, so called player count is to count. Then update, so update means like it's updating the player index database, this dot name, then this dot distance, this dot score. Then get player info, so get player info means that what it's getting an information of player call. It's just referring the value and data. Then it's referring all players from the data and the value. So yes, and these are the images: banana image, basket, jungle, melon, watermelon, that's all. Okay, and orange, pineapple. Okay, so yes, okay, and so many people were asking jitter blinks, right? I'm really sorry, I cannot give jitter blinks. I'm just saying strictly for you people. I think you can understand. Okay, and don't follow me in the jitter, I'll remove you. That's what I can say. Okay, so that's it. This video is, if you like this video, like and share to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, and if you need to get the next video's notification, means click the bell icon to get the next video's notification. Okay, learn and code with Madhushri. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. So this video will be coming on Friday. Okay, because in the Wednesday I added a video, right? I was clarifying your questions, doubting comments, like that I just did, right? So yes, if you didn't check, means in the description I am giving that video links, check out. Okay, so yes, that's it. This video is, thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. If you want to get the next videos on films, click the bell icon to get the next videos notification. And next video project, find out what project is going to be. If you know, means comment. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Until then, it's bye bye, Madhushri. Bye.